Go for it. So, like, talk us through your process, Bill.
Wait a second, this is extremely heavy and
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that called again?
It is a ground.
ground? Yeah, the ground. Okay, so turn a little bit, yeah, start.
And of course, we care about safety, so we're gonna cable manage here.
This is the ground.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure it's grounded to any piece of metal, so it could be their table, their leg, whatever. And then here we're gonna attach the stinger. Make sure, yeah, plug it in, plug that bad boy in. We're gonna do more cable management because we're good civilians who don't do anything dangerous. Okay. Then there. Cool, we got stinger. We're gonna put it on top of the metal box. Okay.
Now, open this machine. And then on until all the green lights. Okay, click this bottom, blue.
We do need to turn on the fan.
Yeah, we should turn on the fan.
I think it's right below us.
What's up, guys? What's up?
Yeah, turn on the fan. Right?
It's not
Cool.
working.
Cool, yeah, it's working. Now,
Turn it off.
okay.
Now we
That's it.
Preventing cancer one fan at a time.
Yes. Turn it off.
Nice.
Turn it off.
And just turn everything down.
First thing I think is the stain. So that is well.
Oh yeah, and we had the amperage at 70
Yeah.
for safety purposes.
I hate this.
Hate's a strong word, Bill. You shouldn't use it so lightly.
Like he hates it.
It's just trying to protect you. It's trying to be nice to you. Yeah. Yay!
It's like
Don't you enjoy your helmet, Bill?
Yeah, really enjoy it. Yeah, fun.
Bill, can you say I love my helmet?
No. I'll never love it.
Yay!
Yeah, we're done.
Wow, I have to go to class in 40 minutes. Nothing.
40 minutes?
Yeah, no, it's cool, it's cool.
I have then I passed
Damn.
too. Yay!
Woo, yay!